Hello, 𝘁𝗱𝗄𝗃 here on behalf of Makers Mercantile. Today I'd like to go over what's in our newsletter for July 12th, 2022. All right, let's get started. Item number 1, edition 3 by 𝗁𝗶𝗆𝘆. This is what edition 3 looks like. This is just one color. Here's another color that you can take a peek at, and another color. And a lot of you are probably familiar with this yarn. It is a 100% merino wool, and it was developed so that there would be a yarn instead of like the 𝗁𝗶𝗆𝘀𝗹𝗲𝗁, which has 25% nylon. This is 100% merino, so it's going to be a little bit softer. So it's not going to be good for socks, but it's going to be good for anything else. So it's going to be good for hats and shawls and mitts, baby clothing, gauntlets, sweaters. There you go. Really great with Fair Isle. So it has a lot of purposes, and the colors are simply amazing. And I think that's why it is one of our best-selling yarns, is because the colors are so amazing. We can't seem to keep it in stock, but we just got another large shipment in, which means several things. 1, it means that we have inventory for you to purchase from. And 2, it also means that we were able to put together new kits for 𝗵𝗶𝗴𝘆's shift. The shift. And we all know what the shift is, or actually for those of you who don't, we're going to post a picture right over here or here of what the shift actually looks like. I don't have a sample here today. Like I mentioned a few weeks ago, we are in the process of renovating, and we've boxed up a lot of things, and going through the boxes, I just wasn't able to find any of our shift samples, which we have quite a few of. But as you can see in the photo, if you're not familiar with the shift, it is a great pattern. Most people never get sick of knitting it. And if you want to get ready for holiday knitting, I know that's really, really far off. But you know what? If you start now and you do a shift a month, heck, you'd have 6 of them made by the time the holidays came. Anyways, we have new shift kits that we have put together with this fabulous yarn. There is a total, I think, of 3 new kits. The combination of these 3 colors that I have in my hand here is called Precious Gems. And don't let the colors deceive you that they're all different. I mean, that is part of the charm of the shift, is that it makes all the colors blend together beautifully, look wonderful. And then when you have your finished piece, you can wear it with just about anything. So check out the new colors that we have. Let's see here, that was one of them. I've got another one here. This one is called Tide Pool, and I can show you what's in Tide Pool as well. Let's see here. We have these 3 colors that are in Tide Pool. There you go. And that will make another beautiful shift. And then I have one more sample on me right here too. This one is called Rock Garden. So let me pull these 3 out. And this is what Rock Garden looks like. There you go. So there's lots of new colors that are in stock ready to ship. Plus we have we have previously assembled shift kits, colors that we've already had in the past. We have some of those readily available again, plus we have our new colors readily available. Why would you want to buy a kit that's pre-made? Well, 1, you don't have to choose out the colors yourself, and 2, you get the pattern for free. So if you don't own the shift pattern, we will gift you the pattern when you purchase the kit, and there's no additional charge for that. So there you go. Now we also have a special event happening next Wednesday, on July 20th. Kyle will be back in town, and he's going to have a special presentation of a Monster Along Monster Drop. Let's put it that way. So what are we talking about? Well, these are these little monsters. See this little guy? He's really, really cute. Here's another little monster. He's cute as well. So these little monsters are easily knit or crocheted, and you will find the pattern on our website. The pattern is a free pattern whether you knit it or crochet it. But the whole thing behind these little monsters is that you hide them, or you put them in little places, little nooks and crannies where you want people to find them. And then they get attached with a little note. So this little note would be found, or is found, in every single one of the patterns that you can download right there. There's like 4 of them here, so you can actually print them off, cut them out, and attach them. And this is what they say. They say, "You found me. I'm not really lost. I've been waiting for you, and now I'm yours. Give me a name or pass on the joy," meaning you can pass the monster on to someone else. "I'm here to brighten your day. Post a photo of me so my friends know I'm safe." And then, of course, there's a hashtag and so on, so that you can do that. But we're trying to put a smile on as many people's faces as we possibly can. So he's going to be talking about that next Wednesday. That is the 20th at 5 p.m. You can register online, but there's no need to register. You can just pop in on that Zoom call as well, and the login and everything is provided on our website. Now, we also have, in anticipation for this, some special bags, and that's this little bag here. So this is our, this little monster, by the way. This is our monster bag. It features one of the monsters with a big heart around it because, of course, we're trying to spread the love and spread the joy. On the back side of this bag is actually the pattern. As you can see, this is the pattern to make your monster. So that way you will never forget it. And then this is backpack style, so you can just gather it and then you can wear your little monster on your back. I'm going to open it up so you can see it better at the moment. There you go, because he really is cute. Now, what do you get when you purchase one of these bags? Well, the bag is stuffed with goodies. So we are calling it our mystery monster grab bag, I think is what it's called. Anyways, in your grab bag, you're going to find minimally four balls of yarn. In a lot of the ones that we started with one of these that makes one monster, another multi, a couple of solid yarns like this as well. And then there's going to be a needle, which is a 10.75 lace needle that goes along with these yarns and will knit it perfectly with these yarns, as well as a baggie that is full of buttons so that you have buttons for the eyes. Now, a lot of you probably have some of these things laying at home, you know, because you only, let's see if we can get this to stay on our mannequin. You only need one ball of yarn in general to make one of these bears. I mean, they're bears. It's a monster. You could call it a monster bear. They're really simple to make. As you can see, it's just 2 pieces that are then sewn together from the bottom on up and then stuffed through the head. And then, of course, you can put your eyes and your mouth on or something. But the thing is they bring so much joy when you find one. We've done this before. A couple of years back, we did it at a Stitches show, and we had hid these all over the show, and we had a lot of great responses. So in the meantime, you know, we've just done a little bit here and there in public spots, but we thought, how much fun would it be if we could get the whole knitting community to make a bear and hide it somewhere? I mean, to bring someone joy, would that not be fun? So that is what we are doing, and you can sign up for that, and you can also buy the limited edition stuffed bags, stuffed with all the goodies, so that you can make some bears and get started on it. Those are in stock, ready to go, just like the shift kits are. All right, and then I have one more thing I want to show you, and that is, this is one of our last chance yarns. This is called 𝗁𝗶𝗲𝘄. There you go, you can see what it looks like. It is a cotton yarn, and that's why I'm showing it to you, because it is so warm out, and there's not that much left, but there is enough left. It is a great yarn to be making like some kind of a summer cowl or summer triangle, or something like that. I guess you could make a whole shirt out of it if you wanted to. I don't have any patterns to show you, but it is a fun yarn to use. It's in our last chance section. There is a button in the newsletter that will take you there, and so you can check that out as well. So that is it for today. I don't think we have anything else. We will be back again on Friday. In the meantime, you have 4 days to get creative, have some fun, choose to be happy, stay safe, and we'll see you on Friday. Ciao.